Back up. Back up. I'll be back. You know what that look is? That's work. That's working out. Oh my gosh, that was a tough workout. I haven't done a jam-packed training, cardio conditioning, weightlifting type workout in a long time. I thought Reba was back to hear the noise. About to head to the office. Just had a killer workout at TJ's facility over here, and massive action training. The place we're gonna have the gaming event or the watch party this coming Saturday, and also have some Xboxes set up for kids to play or gamers to play. There's some young people and older people that play video games. Just really getting back into the workout this morning, or working out consistently, I'd say. So yeah, it was a butt whooping. I could have made some excuses this morning, like not to go, because Joe's truck had a radiator issue. He was supposed to start with me today. I can't tell you how many times in the past I wouldn't go, or I was gonna be to not go because somebody else. So I stopped really depending upon people to work out with, because if they didn't make it, I'd have an excuse. And I stopped even depending upon people to go work out, because something always happened, then I would not go and I'd make them my excuse. So this morning I was like, I'm not gonna make excuses. I'm gonna go regardless. And I kinda had an earlier morning meeting, but I decided to make it on the phone before I got to the office, and just, you know, working out and taking care of my health and all that. I'm not out of shape or anything, or in bad health. I just want to take care of my health. So anyways, working out's important. I'll see you soon. Okay, just got the office from Chipotle. I just want to show y'all what I normally get. If you don't like Chipotle, something's wrong with you. Wouldn't you say, Cody? Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's piled on with guacamole. It's got a base of lettuce, black beans, two scoops of black beans, and a bunch of vegetables, corn. What else do I have? And a bunch of guacamole, and I get that medium size, or that medium hot sauce as well. This stuff right here, and I get an extra side of it. This stuff is really good. And then I have them pile on the guacamole, and this is only one serving. They know me pretty well, so they hook me up with more guacamole. So anyways, that's what I normally eat. I'm kind of doing a vegetarian style diet right now, and I'm still strong, and I'm still strong in the gym. So when they say you have to get protein through meat and stuff, that's not always the case. You can get it through a lot of their sources. So anyways, I'm feeling a lot better since I've been eating like this. But anyways, that's what I'm eating right now. When we get done with this, we're going to do the video. Isn't that right, Cody? We'll see y'all soon. All right, guys, we're back here at the office. So remember I told y'all a client come in earlier today, and I'm just going to go over the scenario with you how this all works. So the guys, I'm going to say his name was John. He's an attorney in town. He makes good money, but he can't move forward in life. I'm going to tell you what's going on. So he had a major errors report we're going to work on. It's showing he owes $400,000 on student loans, but he said he only owed $100,000. So there's an error in reporting. We're going to look to getting this debt off of his reports altogether. So anyways, he is trying to put he has a partner. They've been in business for, I guess 5, 6, 7 years, whatever. But everything in his law firm right now is having to do under his partner's name. He cannot use his credit at all. And so, you know how frustrating it is to have all the money, but you can't put nothing in your name. So we're going to help him restore his credit so he can start putting business in his own name, building his own credit. So that's one thing he's wanting. Also, he's wanting to get a new car. He's like, man, look at my vehicle out there. It's a clunker, and I want to get a nicer car. And so I started talking to him, and he's like, well, how much longer is this going to take? And he's bringing in updates to drop them off. And I was like, well, you just said those updates are a month old. He's like, yeah, they are. And I was like, well, that's going to stall the process. So bring your updates as soon as you get them. I can say that's one major thing I see consumers do is when they work with us, they don't bring their updates in as soon as they get them. So as soon as you get your paperwork, forward them into us because we have to work from those updates. That's one thing, send his updates in. Another thing too is I said, have you got a secure credit card to start building your credit? And he said, well, I tried to get 2 of them and I got turned down. And I said, who'd you go with? He said, one was Capital One. And I said, why'd you go Capital One? He's like, well, that's who I bank with. And I said, well, is that the card that we told you to use? And he said, I don't know. And I said, did you get an email? And he said, yeah, I got an email, but I didn't try those credit cards. Well, in the email, we would have told him the cards that he could have got approved for. And the cards are starter cards. So they're going to be like either like a $250 or a $200, limit. And I said, that's what it's going to be. He said, can I just put $10,000 on the card and have a $10,000 limit? And I said, that's one thing you can't buy is credit. You can't do that. So he's going to start out right here and build it up. So he's going to do that. That's going to start building his credit. That'll start building his credit. He's going to start sending his updates in. As soon as he gets them, that's going to speed the process up. And again, think about this. The guy makes tons of money. He could put down $10,000 to build on his credit card, but he is unable to. And a few major mistakes is he wasn't sending his updates in fast enough, so that's stalling the process. Number 2 is he tried to get 2 credit cards, and that has caused 2 more inquiries on his credit. Inquiries can drop your credit score, so that's also going to affect his credit score because he didn't follow the instructions. So it's real important when you get started in our program that you follow exactly the instructions we tell you, get the credit cards we tell you to, because you're going to get approved and it's going to start working for you a lot faster. So anyways, I just want to give you this rundown how things work. This is an attorney, makes plenty of money, but he can't move forward in his business or put nothing in his name. It's all in his partner's name. So imagine how frustrating it is to have all the money, but you can't even use your credit. So that's just something we're helping people with. If you have any comments, leave them below and we'll answer them in the future videos. Have a great day. All right, back in the house. Got some new shoes in. I love shoes. I don't know about y'all, but I like new shoes. So I got these Adidas shoes in. They're pretty cool. Nice looking shoes. So I got those in. And I got some of these other Adidas shoes in to kind of see which one I like. They're just kind of different style. So let me know which one you like. You like these green ones here? Those are pretty nice. Different style. I'm trying a different style. Or you like these Adidas? Comment down below. Let me know what you like. I'm about to go run to take care of my bike. I need to drop off my mountain bike at the store. And I think this pretty much concludes this video. And tomorrow we'll do some more cuts, some more videos, have some more information regarding credit for you on the channel. Stay tuned, subscribe. I'll catch you real soon. Don't go anywhere. I just tried the shoes on. I had to bring you back and check these out. So this is Adidas I just got, and man, these things are so comfortable. So if you get these Adidas, I think they're called the MNDs or something. These things are really comfortable. I really like these. I have some Nikes over here, but man, I got these really feel good. A really good fit. They have them good for wide feet. So if you haven't seen these Adidas, get them, try them out. And this is the end of the video. And so I will see y'all real soon. This is the end, I promise you, okay? We'll see you real soon.